Hi, my name is Katie, and today I will be discussing something that's very important to me, and that is the pollution of today's world. I will briefly define land, water, and air pollution, as well as a couple things that we can do to help. Water pollution is defined as the contamination of lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater by human activity, and this can be introduced to water through debris and toxins left behind by spills and trash on shores. Land pollution is caused by illegal dumping, deforestation, toxins and poisons used for agricultural purposes, and this can also spread through the ingestion of food and the consumption of water. A type of environmental pollution that is caused by harmful gases and toxins released into the atmosphere is air pollution, and this can also be caused by human activities such as excessive driving, methane gas landfills, factories, and fossil fuel burning. Children are especially impacted by poor environmental conditions. 2 million children die each year from respiratory infections that are 60% of the time linked to poor environmental conditions. Places like India and Afghanistan are especially impacted by environmental factors. Millions of families in these places suffer from poor water quality as well as poor food quality as well. In 2017, Volkswagen was sentenced to 3 felony counts for fraudulent activity and violating the Clean Air Act. Other companies like Aeroco choose money over protecting the environment. As a result of ocean pollution, seabirds and sea mammals die at alarming rates every year, and they can die from the ingestion of toxins or by being suffocated by things like plastic found in the ocean. Currently, the EPA is continuing to enforce acts like the Clean Water Act and Clean Air Act to hold companies like Volkswagen accountable for their actions and to protect our environment. Something else that's being done is community involvement. Things like cleanups happen all the time at national parks, libraries, schools, neighborhoods, as well as keeping up with recycling, reducing, and reusing of materials. Something that we can do better to make sure the environment is progressive over time is educating people. We can do that at public works like libraries and schools, as well as through TV programs and radio shows. Something else that could definitely help is community outreach, in which we bring people together, educate them, and give them the resources that they need to be active and to make greener and better decisions. And this can easily be achieved through accessibility, and accessibility can be provided through the involvement of schools, churches, the workplace, as well as mobile apps that are constantly at our fingertips every single day. The most important way to get this movement started is to make environmental betterment a priority in our lives, a part of our to-do list, so that we always remember it while we live our lives. And this can happen through just staying updated. And there's tons of organizations that we trust in that can send us emails and text notifications to keep us updated on ways to help. Traveling is also something that we can do by providing water, food, and shelter to people in need, people that suffer from the bad conditions of the environment. And also, we can donate money. We can donate money to organizations that we trust to make a difference in our environment, a lasting difference, locally and globally. And just as a form of motivation, if the United States population, 75% of it only, decided to recycle and committed to it, we would create 1.5 million jobs. That is a lot of jobs, besides the fact that we would better the environment as a whole. So remember that little changes can make a lasting and big difference in the future. Think about the environment daily and ways that you can make greener and better decisions to better your environment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please let us know. And visit us at the info bar for email subscriptions as well as activities near you that you can get involved in to help the environment today. Thank you.